Greetings once again, magical developers. Krishna Sharma here from KREDICT and welcome to the 30th magical episode of our JavaScript series. In this part second of our Enchanted exercise, we will continue our mystical journey by adding magical power to our counter. So grab your coding vents and let the exercise continue, and let's dive deeper into the enchantment. So today we will add some new anything. The Enchanted exercise part 2. Welcome to the part 2 of our Enchanted exercise where we will elevate the power of our mystical counter by adding magical features. So here we have a task for you. First you have to implement by yourself. If you are not getting how to implement, you watch this video for the solution. So first task is implement a spell to decrease the counter when a secret combination is pressed. Any combination is secret by yourself, make this will unique. And another task is add another spell to reset the counter its mystical origin. So for in the previous video I make the function for clicking and increase the counter value. So if I press any combination, so it will reset to the 0, and if I press any secret combination of buttons, they will decrease the value of counter. I hope you are getting this. So here we have the solution of the part 2. Now let's unveil the solution of part 2. Your part 2 JavaScript solution, additional JavaScript spell for part 2. So here we have this. So first we will uncomment this. So here we are adding event listener to the document on key down. So if we key down, this function will execute. So this in the function we have if event.key and event.shift key and event.key is equal to q. So this is a combination control plus shift plus q. If control plus shift plus q will press, then this function will execute. The counter value will decrease and mystical counter inner HTML is equal to counter value. Then the inner HTML will change the counter value. This means this is like same with the increasing the value, this is decreasing the value. And then we have a control plus shift plus r, another secret for reset the counter. This will counter value is equal to 0 and mystical counter dot inner HTML is equal to counter value. This will reset the counter. So we will just copy this and paste in our first file. So here we have this, here's this, and here we have this. So if I clicking this is increasing. I hope you are getting this. But if I press secret key like control plus shift plus q, this will decreasing. I hope you are getting and watching this. So if we want to reset this, we will press control plus shift plus r. This will reset to 0. This is our very interesting project. I hope you are getting this. You have to just use this and your concept will clarifying. I hope you are getting this. So key down event and additional spells explanation. Behold the magic. In part 2, we have harnessed the power of the key down event on the document. By combining keys in a secret sequence, we have burst out magical power upon our counter, allowing user to decrease the counter and reset it to the mystical origin. So this is very interesting project. So here we have congratulations for completing part 2 of our Enchanted exercise. If you have any question or if you had to like to share our mystical counters magical power, feel free to do in the comment below. In our next video we will continue our journey through the Enchanted script of Dome, unravel more mysterious and mastering the art of our web enchantment. Until then, may your code be enchanting and your counter be filled with magical powers, and happy coding. So here we make a counter for you. You have to clone this counter. I give some styles to the body. In the body we give a font family area and background color linear gradient we are using here, and display flags. And for the button we give some styles here like background color, border padding, text align, display, border radius and border shadow, and give some mystical counter styling. So you can see this is very interesting. I hope you like this. So here we have this counter. First we will reset to the 100 pixel. So if we click this, this will increasing the value. I hope you are getting this. This is our main task to make this. In this we are just use the style. If I press the combination of control shift and R, this will increase, and control shift plus Q, this will decrease, and control shift plus R, this will reset. I hope you are getting this. Increase